Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to restore Binance Web3 wallet without backup. 1. Check if you enabled cloud backup. Binance Web3 wallet allows you to back up your seed phrase to the cloud, Google Drive or iCloud. Open the Binance app. Go to Web3 wallet. Look for restore from cloud backup. 2. Check if you exported your private key. If you previously saved your private key somewhere, not just the seed phrase, you can import it into a new wallet. 3. Check your device storage for auto backup. If you have a habit backing up files, check your password manager, notes, screenshots, or encrypted storage where you might have saved the seed phrase. 4. Check your browser or device for autofill data. If you use Binance Web3 wallet in a browser, try checking Chrome. Chrome, settings/passwords. Edge, settings/password. Look for saved Binance-related credentials. 5. Try logging into Binance account. If your wallet was linked to your Binance account, try logging in via Binance app, Web3 wallet, Binance Web, wallet options. 6. Contact Binance support. If none of the above work, Binance cannot restore your wallet since Web3 wallets are non-custodial. Binance does not store private keys. However, Binance support might help if you link your Web3 wallet to your Binance account. You can prove ownership through past transactions. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!